Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I cover all things tech. And today we're going to be taking a quick look at one of my favorite iPhone and or Samsung or whichever phone device that you have. This is going to be one of my favorite accessories to help you get some great video footage. Let's get to it. But before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing. And if you like these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. So what is that one accessory that you can use to help you get some nice B-roll footage, help stabilize your shot, all while being handheld, and allows you to add other accessories with it? What you see right here is the Ulanzi U-Rig Pro. Now I've covered this on my channel once before, but since I use this all the time with my iPhone, literally almost every single video that I shoot, I use this. I figured I'd go ahead and cover it one more time for those who are out there looking for accessories to help spice up their video recording. Now this is a really nice rig for those who are looking for something to help them with their recording. It's handheld, so you can get those nice panned B-roll shots. It has three horseshoe areas that you can connect different things to. It has 2 screw holes at the top and 1 threaded at the bottom. Right here you can unloosen here, sit your phone in and tighten it back up. You can use this in front facing or rear facing, and this is a great device. I think this is one of those devices that a lot of people should have in their kit if they are a mobile creator. So what I want to do for you guys real quick with this is outfit this thing to its capacity so I can show you guys the many different ways that you can actually use this. So as you can see guys, this thing is very versatile. I feel that anybody can pick this thing up, put their accessories on it, and they can rock and roll. This thing is very great for mobile content creation, and I think that every creator should have one of these, no matter what brand you use or whichever one you may decide to go with. I feel as though that every content creator should have one of these in their kit bag. So if you have enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it will help the channel grow. And please do not forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.